हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी एज वेल एज योर इंग्लिश फ्लुएंसी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वर्ड वंडर। इट मीन्स आश्चर्य। द सेकेंड वर्ड इज एरोगेंस। इट मीन्स अहंकार। The third word is boon. It means वरदान. The fourth word is witness. It means गवाह. The fifth word is formality. It means औपचारिकता. The sixth word is ancient. It means प्राचीन. The seventh word is donate. It means दान करना. The eighth word is enough. It means पर्याप्त. The ninth word is ensure. It means सुनिश्चित करना. The 10th word is development. It means विकास. The 11th word is suggestion. It means सुझाव. The 12th word is rural. It means ग्रामीण. The 13th word is courage. It means साहस. The 14th word is backbite. It means चुगली करना. The 15th word is well-being. It means कुशन मंगल. The 16th word is resource. It means संसाधन. The 17th word is somewhat. It means कुछ कुछ. The 18th word is protest. It means विरोध या प्रदर्शन करना. The 19th word is ceremony. It means समारोह. The 20th word is tradition. It means परंपरा. The 21st word is tendency. It means प्रवृत्ति. The 22nd word is boycott. It means बहिष्कार करना. The 23rd word is discuss. It means चर्चा करना. The 24th word is warning. It means चेतावनी. The 25th and last word is survey. It means सर्वेक्षण करना. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.